In this video I will show you how to sign up an Instagram account. Use Click on Instagram site, then click sign up, then write your Gmail account. You should use any email to receive a code from the Instagram website to verify your account. In the next step of after that step, here I wrote my Gmail account. Then after that you will write your password, and it should be a strong password. A strong password consists of capital characters and small characters, special symbols and letters with numbers to be hard to hack. Then you will write your full name. After that you will write your username, and your username should not consist of any capital characters. You will use in it small characters with numbers, and between them you can use underscores or period to